Hi everybody, welcome to the Trending Streams. My name is Sunny Cardona, so please subscribe to my channel as I break the trending topics out there. Subscribe, click, and hit that bell to get the latest video notifications. You definitely don't want to miss a video. Try to post something at least once to twice a week on here. So again, guys, thank you for subscribing in advance. Now, before we get into Bitcoin, I just want to cover some news on Trump. Of course, this news just came out like a couple of days ago. And it talks about how Donald Trump now is under investigation. Here we go. New York AG's office says its probe of the Trump organization is now criminal and will work with Manhattan DA C.Y. Vance in his ongoing fraud investigation. NYAG said she also is investigating Trump organization in a criminal offense. She has been investigating the company since 2019 in civil violations. They include inflation or inflating assets for the purpose of loans. Of course, I can see Trump doing that. I've got a big building, the Trump Towers, with like $5 billion. 8 billion. I need the loan. You can put it on there. Let me get the loan. Right? It's okay. I need the loan. You know, that you can't be doing stuff like that in those extent. But anyway, so he's been doing that, inflating his prices. His initial focus on also things like hush money payments to Stormy Daniels, but it also has widened to tax evasion and fraud. So we know that, and it's funny, you know, as soon as they started doing this, you had Biden and Kamala showing their taxes. Oh, look, here's our taxes. You know, why couldn't Trump do it? So again, then these investigations start. All part of the script, guys. The two offices have teamed up to work together, which is unusual legal step, of course. Michael Cohen, Trump's former lawyer, triggered James' initial probe. So there you go. Trump seen Tuesday and NYC, you know, the organization under criminal investigation. We have informed Trump organization that our investigation and the organization is no longer purely civil in nature. We are actively investigating the Trump organization in a criminal capacity along with the Manhattan DA. We have no additional comments right now. So, yeah, lots of things going down, payments and, you know, Stormy Daniels, hush money, all kinds of jacked up stuff, inflated things, tax evasion. Of course, guys, I've talked about how Trump has been connected to the mob. Again, when you're in New York, all these things. So it is what it is. There you go. More troubles for Trump, but many people go, oh, well, he's a good guy. You see, they have to come and get him. No, Trump is one of them. He stepped out of line a little bit, and I think this is why he's going through the things he's doing. And, of course, here you can see the 666 hand gestures. The guy is a warlock. He's a witch. It is what it is. Y'all better wake up. He'll probably get still unscathed. He's part of the system. But there you go. And we're going to talk more about 666. Now, coming to the headline today, trending Bitcoin. This has been trending for a couple of days now. Bitcoin is literally trending and trashed. It's dropping like a cement ball off a 5-story building. Let's read why is the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies falling. Now, for me, I'm super happy that this is crashing. I really am. It's all part of the system, and I'm going to connect the dots. But, you know, Bitcoin is part of the ill ones, right? Here you see the Bitcoin ATM. I've personally seen these. This is not made up. These are real machines. This is what they want, and it's all part of the system. But anyway, many millennials and many people have jumped on the Bitcoin craze, which was all systematically set up. The ill ones, what they do is they pump things up, and we're going to talk about Elon Musk, and all the cryptocurrencies and all these things. So they were pushing it up, and these wicked, evil people that control the markets. Now the stock market is controlled and contrived. The ill ones control everything, all right? So what they do is they get Elon Musk, right? And they make him promoted a little bit. Remember that Elon Musk he was PayPal, he's a billionaire, he's got Tesla, he has SpaceX, all this crap. He's a genius. Everybody says it. So you have Elon Musk at one point was with Bitcoin and with Doggy, all this stuff, eDoggy, whatever the heck it is. And so you have all these people, investors, they want to be, they always want to go with the biggest, traders, right? Like Warren Buffett. They all want to be Warren Buffett. They all want to think rich. So this is how the occult work. This is how these people work. You see, right now what they want to do is they want to get you used to digital currency, the digital dollar, right? So they know that Bitcoin is there and all this, but the system doesn't want Bitcoin because it's made up by other hackers and people, right? And so they want to promote the digital dollar just like Nancy Pelosi said. Nancy Pelosi said that we're going to need a digital dollar, especially when they were going to do the stimulus checks. So that was the first key. So what they did was they got, like I said, Elon Musk and all these people, and everybody jumped on the gravy train. And they did this on purpose because many people were getting stimulus checks, right? So they got these stimulus checks and they were ready to I now I got this extra money. Let me start investing. And so you had a lot of fools investing lots of money into the Bitcoin. Even WWE had a poor wrestler become rich and all that. So they used the mind control. So many people jumped on it. And now, what happens is these people that are setting up, because inside trading is 1 billion% real, right? We know that the elite know when stocks are going to go up, they make it go up, and then they pull out all the money. So they basically take all the fools' money, they put into the stock, and then then it starts crashing, and all the fools lose their money. It's a casino. It's gambling. That's what it is. And the elitists know this, okay? They're playing the game. They laugh their way all the way to the bank. That is how the game is played, guys. I hate to tell you, that's the rigged reality. So now here is why I just told you why Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are falling, because it's not part of the establishment. It's not part of the Federal Reserve, which want the digital dollar. We know the Chinese things. But let us read what they say here, why Bitcoin now is not to the moon, but to hell. And many people lost lots and lots of money. The price of Bitcoin fell as much as 29% Wednesday. And the China Banking Association, which China now has their own digital currency, of course, so they're telling people to get off. You see, this is how the agenda is played. They don't want people. They don't want people getting into these third markets, but secondhand markets. They want them stuck in the system. And there will be a global digital currency, by the way, as well. But anyway, this is why the Chinese Banking Association, or members of the Bank of Risk associated with digital currencies, falling sharply decline. Bitcoin, the volatility was on full display, and decline had narrowed below 10% in the early morning trade. Bitcoin has now lost 40%, guys, of its initial value since April 13th. Get the number 13, right? When it's high, more than $64,000 per coin. Before Wednesday, Tesla's decision, right? So again, you had Elon Musk was promoting it for a minute, right? He went on SNL. Here he is. And, they tell you what these people are. Notice how he has like the bandana, like a robber, right? Back in the old days, you would see the robber. Yeah, oh no, that's about, they have to cover them up. No, he's a bandit. This guy's a devil. And so he went on there. A lot of people, he would promote it. He even said, oh yeah, this, this and that. People started going crazy because they all want to follow. Again, this is the herd mentality, the sheeple, the zombies, right? WWE just promoted zombies on the one of their pay-per-views, Backlash, WrestleMania pay-per-views. And this is how the elite, and I always tell you how Vince McMahon and the occult, use the agenda. So they follow the trail. They want the zomboids. and it was all to promote Dave Bautista's brand new movie or whatever. But they look at people like zombies. And that's why in WWE, they have a wrestler, NXT guy, that is he made a lot of money, right? Oh, you got to follow him. You better get those Bitcoin. So it's all part of the agenda. So anyway, SNL, when he went on SNL, Elon Musk, and why did he go on SNL, right? I thought it was only for celebrities, superstars, people, actors, singers. No, this guy's a billionaire. He's a CEO, whatever. No, he was there to, again, to cause a sudden drop in the money, the digital currency. Not only they have Bitcoin, they have this, what is this thing called here? It's the doggy coin or something like that. Let's go back here 1 second. The doggy coin. And so they made a skit, him ripping, kind of making fun of the digital currency doggy coin. Elon Musk brings mom to monologue jokes. He's giving doggy coin for Mother's Day. And many people go, wait a minute, that's kind of a rib. And it was. It's all part of the system, again, to delete it, to deplete it. And it's all part of it. And so now, again, like I said, the elitists cashed in. All these people are putting all their money in here because they're following Elon Musk. He went on a show exactly for an agenda. SNL is one of the biggest agenda pushers. And then it started plummeting. And these people, again, at the top, because there is insider trading, they cashed in, took all the money. It crashed. Those people lost the money. It's as simple as that. And that's what's happening right now. People need to wake up. And I'm happy as hell that at least people, are losing money. I pray they never put into digital currency. But again, this is all the predictive programming because we're going into the future. But anyway, you had Tesla decided not to use digital currency for its cars, along with concerns about tighter regulations of digital currencies were major factors in decline. The price is still up 31% in 2021 and nearly 300% years ago, but it has crashed. On Wednesday, a statement posted on Chinese Banking Association website. Financial institutions should, again, the Chinese want they don't want people going over here. They want them over there. To refrain from these using these digital currencies and all these things. How Bitcoin works. Bitcoin is a digital currency that is not tied to banking or government. You see, this is a big no-no. We live in a world that the Federal Reserve control the government. The Federal Reserve banking, the Rothschilds, the Rockefellers, they control the scene. So, of course, they're going to manufacture a hike. Then they're going to steal it. They're going to take it away. And then they're going to promote theirs. It's as simple as that. And it's coming, guys. I mean, this is part of what the Bible talks about. The digital currency, the mark of the evil one, Revelations, you can't buy or thing. Again, digital dollar, okay? It's going to be the world digital currency dollar or whatever they're going to call it. And it's happening, and it's going to happen. So you're seeing the ruse of the occult happening right now. But anyway, again, it's not from the banker government. That's another reason why people, they're destroying it, and they're going to destroy it. The system, if they don't want it, and a lot of them, well, anyway. And it allows users to spend money anonymously. That's another big no-no with the digital currency. They want to track everybody. I've talked about this where, let's say you work at flea market or you just have things and you want to sell them. They want to get rid of money. Currency, they want it gone. It's only going to be digital. Excuse me. And so when everybody first they're going to implement it in a digital card or whatever, a digital ID, or it's going to be connected to your ID, encryption, and maybe this is going to be hacked. Then they're going to say, listen, you got to get it implanted. Just like, like I said, what the Bible warned about thousands of years ago. It's happening. It's going to happen. No way around it. People are already getting the implants. This isn't like science fiction. This isn't a conspiracy. It's factual. It's happening now. So anyway, so basically, you're going to have this digital currency where every transaction, everything that you make will now truly be recorded and tracked. This is the whole end game. And They don't like this anonymously crap and all that. So this is why it's never going to fly. This digital currency of Bitcoin, doggy coin, they rip on it. It's all done on purpose. The coins are created by those who mine them, lending computer power to verify other users' transactions. So there's people that literally buy these computers, graphic cards. They go on the internet and they try to track this digital. I don't know how it's completely done, but they mine it, but it uses electricity. This is another reason why Tesla, this was their excuse for not wanting to promote it, because it uses energy and, they are part of the green deals and all this crap. That's another agenda, right? Oh, Biden and the left, all this stuff. We got to get the green deals out there, the carbon taxes. Again, more of the agendas. But anyway, the coins are created by users who mine them by lending computing power to verify other users' transactions. They receive Bitcoins in exchange. The coins also can be bought and sold on the exchange with US dollars and other currencies. Some businesses take Bitcoin as payment, and numbers of financial institutes are allowing their clients and portfolios, but other mainstreams accept it is still limited. Bitcoin is basically a line of computer codes that are digitally signed each time they travel from one owner to the next. Transactions can be made anonymously, making currencies popular. Libertarians, as well as tech enthusiasts, spectators, and criminals. Bitcoins have been stored in digital wallets, either online to exchange, Coinbase, online, so forth. So that's what it is. They say 21 million who ever existed. Circulation, there's only 21, so it's rare. And so anyway, it's weird. And who is putting out these codes? How do you find it? It's jacked up. But ultimately, this is to get you accustomed to, again, Bitcoin. Then they're going to destroy that. And then what it's going to is the Federal Reserve notes, the digital dollar. And again, China is already there. What is digital dollar? Digital represents liability denominated in dollars. By the Federal Reserve notes, bank cash. It's a digital form. It's happening, guys. We're seeing inflation. We're seeing homeless rise. We're seeing gas prices. Guys, it's all there. This is all systematically set up. It's all there. I hope I put this in a way you can easily understand what is happening. It's going to happen. It's already here. Again, I'm telling you, people are already getting shipped to pay for things. And this is all systematically set up by, again, the people who've enslaved humanity, the occult rituals, the secret societies, and the Federal Reserve, right? The Rothschild banking cartels, which worship the dark energies. Are you going to be a zomboid? Are you still going to follow in the trends? Or are you going to follow the Most High? I pray now that you can see what is happening. It's here. I hope you guys get, to the Most High, to the Messiah. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll have more on these videos, more on this information. Again, I'm studying this stuff on The Truth Never Sleeps. I do Monday mega shows on there. Of course, here I'm trying to do trending streams here. These videos are very difficult to do. I do lots of research. I pray to get this information. I hope I can help you. So that's why it's so important to share these videos. If you feel led to giving to help me, because again, they have stifled me, you can become a patron as well. And it'll really help out a lot. Thanks again. There you go. It all adds up. The prophecies are happening. Thank you all, and you have all a blessed day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.